Here's a quick video on the Crosman Benjamin crossover Valiant. It's a beautiful, beautiful gun. Heavy as hell. It's got to weigh at least 6 pounds. Decent scope that comes with it. Everybody says that these scopes suck. That's because they don't understand air rifle scopes have to be completely different than a regular scope. Go ahead, spend $150, $250 on a really nice scope and put it on this gun. It'll be destroyed. Your scope will be totally destroyed in less than a month. Air rifle scopes are specific for air rifles. They're designed to handle the abuse that an air rifle delivers. I know that sounds crazy, and you would think that a 30-06 or something would have a more destructive power on a scope, but that's just not the case. It's because these fire forward, backward, and propel. Here's the safety. See that? That's on. Can't fire. Now you can fire. So what I usually do is keep it loaded and then engage the safety once I put it away in the case. Look at that wood. God, that's gorgeous. Let's shoot it. As long as you get it nice, well seated in there. And of course, with these brake barrels, it's absolute necessity that you use an artillery hold, which means this hand should just be gently, just basically cradling right here. And no holding, no gripping. You want it to be able to slide in your hand, okay? For an air rifle, this thing has a crazy kick. This is no child's gun. See? Okay, now, safety is engaged. Disengage safety. Ready? So here I am with the Valiant Nitro Piston Elite rifle. It's a pellet rifle. This particular one is a 177, and it's made by Crosman. It's a crossover between Crosman and Benjamin. It's a beautiful gun. It's accurate. It's heavy. It's not a toy, and it's very, very, very powerful. Most BB guns, when you shoot bottles and things, or pellet guns, when you shoot a bottle, they just shatter into pieces because it's kind of like a hammer hitting it. But this bad boy, it just shoots a hole right through it with a little bit of cracked glass. It's pretty insane. That's how strong it is. I'm very happy with my purchase of the Crosman Valiant. It's a beautiful, beautiful gun, and I'm very proud to put it into my collection. I do have to say that it looks really, really badass. I mean, that is just a sweet, sweet gun, you know?